The Galactic Survey team had one job: catalog habitable planets for potential colonization. In 40,000 years, they'd never marked a world as Category X, impossible for life, until they found Earth. Senior surveyor Zekmal reviewed the data for the third time, his tentacles trembling. This can't be right. The scanners must be malfunctioning. I've run diagnostics 4 times, his assistant Cree insisted. These readings are accurate. The holographic display showed Earth in all its terrifying glory. Atmospheric oxygen, 21%, highly corrosive/combustible. Surface water, 71% dihydrogen monoxide coverage, universal solvent. Tectonic activity, constant, planetary crust in perpetual motion. Magnetic field, strong enough to scramble most species' navigation organs. Solar radiation, lethal without ozone layer protection. Gravity, 9.8 meters per square second, crushing for most civilized species. Axial tilt, 23.5 degrees, causing extreme seasonal variations. Moon, massive satellite causing tidal forces. And the biosphere? Zekmal asked weakly. Cree pulled up more data, each point more horrifying than the last. Microscopic organisms that consume organic matter from within. Viruses that hijack cellular reproduction. Fauna that includes venomous species, apex predators, and, oh dear, what? Pack hunters with advanced intelligence. Swarm insects with colony minds. Marine predators that can detect electrical signals. Flying predators with near-perfect vision. And approximately 391,000 species of plants, many producing deadly toxins. Zekmal marked Earth with the highest danger rating possible. No sapient life could possibly. Sir, they heal prey while consuming prey, Sharera transmitted, her form flickering in distress. This defies categorization. Her research became more intensive. Humans kept predators as companions. Domesticated wolves they called dogs. They felt empathy for their food, creating humane farming practices, yet still ate meat. They would risk their lives to save strangers, then wage wars over resources or ideologies. Perhaps due in ethics, the contradictory predators, she suggested. But it was worse than contradiction. She discovered humans would eat almost anything: plants, animals, fungi, fermented foods that were essentially controlled rot. They were persistence hunters who could also farm. Warriors who wrote poetry. They created weapons that could destroy planets, then used the same nuclear technology to power hospitals. Director Martinez requested a meeting. As Sharera entered the human conference room, she noticed something disturbing. The humans had been studying her just as carefully. Ambassador, Martinez said warmly, we've noticed you've been trying to categorize us. May I ask why? All predators must be named, Sharera explained. It's how we understand, how we survive. But humans, you defy every parameter. Martinez laughed, a sound that could indicate joy, nervousness, or impending violence. That's because you're trying to find one word for us. We don't even have one word for ourselves. That's impossible. Every species has a nature. Do we? Martinez pulled up a hologram. This is Mr. Rogers, who dedicated his life to teaching children kindness. This is Genghis Khan, who built pyramids from human skulls. Both human. This is a surgeon saving lives, and this is a soldier taking them. Often the same person. Sharera's form pulsed erratically. Then what are you? We're human, Martinez said simply. We're predators who feel guilty about predating. We're prey that learn to bite back. We're social. Controlled exposure. It's perfectly safe. Usually, the assistant pulled up more scans. Sir, they're everywhere. The frozen poles, the deserts, the ocean floors, inside active volcanic regions. We're adaptable, Jennifer said proudly. We even have a permanent station in Antarctica. Gets down to -80 Celsius. Great for scientific research. You voluntarily go to the coldest place on your death world for research. Someone's got to study the penguins. Zekmal updated Earth's classification. Category X, impossible for life, except humans who are apparently impossible to kill. As they departed, Kree asked the question that would haunt the Galactic Council for centuries. If they can thrive on a death world, what could they survive elsewhere? Jennifer's parting words didn't help. Feel free to visit. Tourist season is lovely, just avoid Australia. Even we think that place is trying too hard to kill everything. The report to the Galactic Council was simple